Welcome to set up your OneNote notebook. Now, as you set up this notebook, there's one key part that you have to do correctly. Otherwise, you'll be in the wrong class. So please, I'm gonna make sure you pause and make sure you look at this key step so you can get to the right class. Now, when you go to Schoology, you're going to scroll down our Schoology homepage. Okay, and over on the left-hand side, you're going to find the OneNote tab. You're going to click it. Once you click it, it's going to open up OneNote right here in Schoology. As you can see from our example, period 2, notebook has already been created. That's why you see this. But when you click on the link, you'll see sign in. So make sure you sign in to your OneNote using your school email and password. Okay. It'll take a few minutes, maybe even seconds, and then it'll take you directly into OneNote from here. Now, if you look up here in the top right hand corner, top left hand corner, I'm sorry, period 2, okay, doesn't have to do this step. All they have to do is sign in on the home page. But if you're period 3, 4, or 5, you have to select your class. If you don't, you'll join the period 2 folder. I don't want you to join the period 2 folder, so make sure that you click this drop down button, click on the your class period, okay, and press sign in. Don't just sign in right away. Make sure you're in the correct class. That's the warning. Once you signed in and joined, you'll notice that your OneNote page will open up here. Make sure you can see your name. Make sure you see the correct period, okay? And then make sure you see your name and period over here. Now, your class notebook will have a collaboration space. It'll have a content library, and it should say your name right here instead of teacher only. Okay. And once you click the drop down button, you'll see a folder for thinking maps. You'll see a folder for workbook, and you'll see a folder for class notes. Okay. And the thinking map pages can be copied from probably the content library. I'm going to put some thinking maps in here. And then once you open up that page, you can right click and move it over into your notebook to type on. Okay. I'll create a separate video for that. But that's it for now. Go ahead and set up your OneNote. Please make sure that you are in the right class. I want to emphasize one more time, make sure that you click the correct class. Otherwise, when it's time for grading, because I can grade from OneNote and it'll show up in Schoology, everything will be off. So please make sure that you're in the right class.